Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with a new and unique opportunity for you all. And this is especially for the student who is sitting at home. They are even trying for online internship and even doing some online courses. But still they are unable to get a proper platform so they can earn some money. So this is the platform. Today I am introducing with you the PrepByte platform, where you can practice code and earn the money at the same time. Like you are a student, so you are preparing for the placement or you are preparing for the interview. Then you have to practice a lot. And when you practice just ideally on so many other platform, I don't name it the platform, there is so many platform you are practicing. So those all platform you are just practicing, you are investing your time, but you are not earning anything, so that is not that much excited. But here this PrepByte is, even you are practicing your own, you are practicing any problem on this platform, then you will get some coin. And here this coin is not just a coin to show you the number. The coin means you are going to get the money, you are going to get the cash for the coin. So you can see, let me first introduce one contest which is going right now, and then after I will tell you how you can earn 2 to 3,000 from this platform within some weeks by solving different problems on this platform. Right guys, so this is right now, there is one marathon 10 contest is going on the PrepByte platform, and this is on D and C plus backtracking. So based on this algorithm, this is based on this concept, the contest is going on, right? And you can see here the 14th June at 9 p.m. the contest will resume. Right now the registration process is going on. So first you register this contest, so you will get a great chance to enter with and join with PrepByte platform. So here if you win this contest, this is not big. If you just win this, there will not be very tough question, there will be just medium question. If you win, then you will get 30 coins. If you second prize, if you win, then 20 coin you will get. If you be the third winner, then you will get 10 coins, right? So this is the coin, and here for one coin there is 1 rupee, so you will get 30 rupees, 20 rupees or 10 rupees if you top. And those all are just simple problem, they are not the complex or hard and difficult problem. So you can go with and read out. So this is the first contest you can go with, you can practice with the time frame and all, right? And now I am going to tell you how you can earn 2 to 3,000 on this platform. So first you have to go and register. So how you have to register? How you can register, that is very simple. Let me show you how you can register. So for registration, I will give the link in video description as well as in comment section. You go and click there. After that you will get one interface like this. So here you can register for this contest, and as well as you can create your account on the PrepByte, right? So on creating your account, now you can also go for the different contest and problem solving, and you can earn 2 to 3,000 from this platform. So for sign in, you have to go, and first you have to go create account, and you have to give full name. So I am just giving Deepcodec Guru. Okay. Email ID I have to give. Okay, I will give ITEMBuzz 2018, and the number. Okay, I will give. Okay, and passport So you give your own passport, and college name you have to give. Okay guys, and now what you are looking for? You are looking for competitive coding or interview coding. So there is two types. So what you are looking for? So most of you are doing yourself, then you may be looking for competitive coding. Like there is so many competitive coding is going on, like hackathon, code beta, code ninja. So like that you can go through. So you will just click sign up, and after that you will got logged in, and on login you can see here I have already earned 6 coin, right guys? 6 coin I have earned. So the first let me register this contest. So register and okay. So the code is registered, this much you have to do. For earning more coin you have to go and click coin, and you can see here if you earn 100 coin then you can get 30% discount on PrepByte Expert Coder course. So if you are going to buy any PrepByte course, and if you have 100 coin, then you will get 30% discount on course. If you score 250 coins, then you can win a PrepByte t-shirt, right? So this is wonderful. You can buy, you can just, you are doing coding for your own sake, for your own learning, but you can also get a t-shirt. And moreover, if you talk about in terms of money, if you earn 350 points like coin like this, already I have, on sign up you will get 6 coin, and if you get 350 coin then you will get 200 Paytm cash. So you can withdraw 200 Paytm cash you will get, and this is real guys, this is 100% genuine. You can go and check on. This is not just spam or anything, is not. This is the genuine platform you can go with. So how you can earn? So you can see here, earn more prep coins. So you can win course discount, prep goodies, cash and much more through prep coins. Make sure to collect as many coins as you can. There are so many ways to earn prep coins. So first you solve questions. So there is question on different content. There is different topic, and from this session you can earn 1000 prep coins, and those all you can convert in Paytm cash. And from this site visitor you can earn 1000 plus coin, and we have sign up. So already we have did sign up, so you can earn 5 coin, right? And unlock, when you unlock any other topic, then you will earn how much coin? You will earn 5 coins for each new topic unlock, and all the coin is going to be converted as a discount or the t-shirt, or in, if you want in Paytm cash, then you can also use it a Paytm cash. So now solve questions, and I will show you what are the question pattern they are providing for you. So this is excellent offer, you can grasp and you can continue with, right guys? So this is wonderful. If you are sitting at home and you want to do coding, you want to practice coding, then you can adopt this platform and you can go through, and you will get this all link in the video description as well as in comment section. Please go there and register now. And please you also subscribe my channel, so you will get more this type of video. I am going to also tell about some internship talk, so there you will also get more details about these all things. So you can invest your time in the better way, and you can also make some money. Even you are not getting any internship, then you can make money from the other sources like this. So even you are going here, it will ask what type of coding, you want to do. You want for the interview or you want to be the competitive. Competitive is a bit tough, the top task is there, and in interview there is easy. And you can also solve both or either of one. So you decide what you do. Otherwise you first solve interview coding and then you go for the competitive coding, and from both you can earn the coin and you can convert in the money. So for competitive coding, let me show you what are the topic. This is the very excellent syllabus they have provided, you can go through. So this is beta version of India only personalized coding platform to get problems as per your coding skill and progress. So you can see here, even this work with machine learning, so you will get the personalized and based on your skill. So let's see. First there is fundamentals. So on fundamentals you have to learn. Then array concept. This is string concept. You can see here from concept to concept there is the problem, set of problem. So even you can prepare in the very best way. You can prepare in the particular planned way. So you can tell I am clear with the array concept, I am clear with the string concept, I am clear with the recursion problems. So once you go through, you can tell that you have cleared. And you can see here how many people have already done it. So many people, like 45,000 people have done, 36,000, 9,000, and like that the people have solved, and those all people have earned. So you can also earn. You can see here this has covered all the backtracking, dynamic programming, segment trees, game theory, tries. So all the concept they have covered. So you can go and you can take advantage of this platform, and you can enroll, you can register with this platform, and you can also participate for this contest on 14th. And for this solving you can start from today itself. You need not to worry about. And regarding courses, those all things I will cover in the next video. But I want to see is how many people of you are interested and found this video very interested and useful to you. So please, and if you have found this video useful to you, and if you think you can help your colleagues and friends and they can also earn something with learning, then you can share this video with them and also recommend them to join with this platform. So you can also collect appreciation from your friends sharing this information. So now it is your time, how you want to prepare and how you want to earn also money. And in the next video I am going to talk about how you can apply for internship on different platform and you can earn money and you can gain the real-time experience from the commercial market, what are their things. So I will cover in the next video. So thanks again you all for watching this video, and please you do start coding itself. If you tell tomorrow, then tomorrow never comes. You start from today and start learning from today itself, along with you enhancing your skill for yourself. This is for yourself. So please you go through, and for me you subscribe the channel, so I will get more motivation to work more harder and a smart way, and I will try to introduce this type of platform with you on time to time. So thanks again, have a good time, please stay home, stay safe.